Okay, so now we'll take an example of Coral Cloud results, right? So what we'll be doing is that we'll be enabling the agents, web deployments, and many more. Right, and basically, Coral Cloud Resorts is some more into like amazing destination activities and top-notch customer service. For that, what we need to do now, right? It'll be very quick now. For that, go to the setup icon of the gear up icon here. Click on this, right? Setup. You'll be coming in a different tab, and from here, what we need to do is that there we need to click on the setup quick find, and you just type it Einstein setup. So you would find this under Einstein Generative AI. You need to click on this, right? That Einstein setup, and make sure you need to click on the turn on Einstein toggle, right? Make sure this is on, right? Moving forward, we need to again, go on the setup quick find, and we need to type in Einstein Bot. Okay. Einstein Bot is here, not the assessor. I just need the Einstein Bot over here. It's under the Einstein platform. Just click here, and so on the top you can see Einstein Bot, right? So this Einstein Bot, the toggle should be on. Keep it on, right? Now on the quick setup, quick find search, right? You need to write agent. Right, so here we need to just select the agents. Probably like, you need to click on this agents, right? Click on this agents. And what we need to do is that we need to, turn on this toggle. It says Einstein Copilot for Salesforce. We need to turn on this agent, right? Click on this, turn on, right? So now what we need to do, we need to now refresh our browser, right? Refresh your browser which you're working on, providing Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, or Safari, right? Now in the quick find, probably. So now in the quick find search, right? You need to type in embedded service deployment. So I'll just write embedded. Yeah. Can you see it's under the service, and under service you say embedded services, and here it says embedded service deployments. Just click on this, right? And we need to then select the ESA, right? ESA. We need to click on this ESA. Just select this one, ESA web deployment. And now from here, we need to probably publish it, right? Click on this publish, right? The deployment, probably the deployment can take up to 10 minutes, but no need to wait, right? So you can proceed with the next step. So once I click on this publish, right? So once this is done, so now we need to publish the experience cloud site, probably the agent that we have activated, right? The agent that we have activated, we have turned on the toggle, right? So the agent will deploy via Coral Cloud's experience cloud site in preparation of deployment. You can get the experience cloud site ready for the new agent, right? So what is the next step now? So next step, we need to, under the quick find, setup quick find search, we need to just type in digital experience, right? And this is digital experience. We need to click on all sites. Just click on the all sites, right? And from here, once this is done, right, we need to click the builder next to Coral Cloud. So can you see this in the second one, builder, the Coral Cloud? Just click the builder one. Okay. So if in case, if any pop-up appears, right, with a positive note saying, okay, it's okay, click okay. Right, yeah, it is. It's okay. And move on. And now here we have to click publish, right? Publish, you can see on the upper right corner. Just click publish. And again, click publish. Right. And now it says, got it. just click on the blue button, like say, got it. So on the top left corner, upper corner, you can see the builder. They click on this builder menu, right? Just click on this. And now we need to go and click the Salesforce setup, right? Just click on the Salesforce setup. Out, another the tab opens, right? So now the next step is here. We need to configure the agent, right? So we need to create topics and actions for the agents. And you can say, in other words, right, if a client asks about a topic, what action should the agent produce, right? So probably we need to create a particular topic, right? We need to train the agent and how this would be. Again, on the setup quick find search, yes, you can type agent, right? You would find agents, right? Once you click the agents, then from here, you just scroll down. You would find at the bottom, if you can see, you would find Einstein Copilot, Core Cloud Agent, then Core Cloud Experience Agent. As we have we have published the experience, so we need to select the Core Cloud Experience Agent. Click on this, and now we need to, here on the top right, we need to just click on Open in Builder. So this is what I'm talking about, right? This is the agent builder, right? And we have been working on Core Cloud Experience Agent for the customers, right? So now now we have to create a new topic, right? So here on the topics on the left side panel, you would see these this is the agent builder, but basically. So on this new, the button says new drop down. Just click here and click on this new topic. Right. So here the pop-up would appear, right, saying that create a topic, right? So probably we need to add certain details. So I have things, ready with me. So probably, so this in the model, like we need to configure the start element as follows, right? So the topic, what we can look for, I'll just help you. I have entered all the details here, right? So here, what we need to do in the next is click on next, right? Probably like I mean, it is not recommended to use standard queries and summarizations actions with the public-facing agents, right? So instead, use custom actions to to interact with the data, right? So here, nothing doing with else, right? Just click on finish. So once this is done, on the topic label, if you could see, experience management comes here, right? This is what we gave the topic label, right? So once that is done, we need to now probably add the get experience detail actions to the agent, right? For that, we need to click on this experience. I mean the topic label experience management. Click on this. So once this is done, so on the top, you see top topic configurations. This is what we have did. And this topics action, click on this, right? So once you click on this, then we need to click on the new and we need to add the action. The drop down from new and add action, click on this. So once this is done, right, probably I would select this particular reference action type. You find Apex flow from template. I will click on flow. And I would go the reference action says, so I will just click here and I would say I'll just type in get experience details, right? Click on this. Now it says agent action label and agent action API name. Probably if I enter here, it would come it will automatically pop up here. Right. So I will leave, probably I would leave as it is, and I would just click on next. So once I click on next, now probably now, I mean, it's a configuration that I need to follow in few. So these are inputs and outputs, right? So if you can see refer inputs, right? The name of the experience, this custom that that the user would like more, and this is the output summarize, right? It would summarize it, give you. Over here, I would just in the input, just check this up, check this box, like in the require input, and over here in output, just check this box that's show in conversation, right? And click on finish. So now your action has been created, topic has been configured, and now your topic action has been created too. So now I probably refresh this particular conversation preview on Einstein, right? Yeah, I'll just refresh it. It says, "Let's chat. Hi, I am AI service assistant. How can I help you?" Right. So we need to we need to write a prompt, right? So I can write here. Describe the task questions. Can you let me know more about the full moon beach party experience? Yeah, I'll just hit enter. It says analyzing a request. Right, see how fast is it? Right. Figure out next steps. Okay, cool. Oh man, this is amazing, right? It's all mentioned here. Right, the full moon beach party is an exciting experience where you can enjoy a night of music, dance, and bonfires on the beach on the moon, full moon. It's a low activity, level, even perfect for those who want to relax and have fun by beach. Okay, so now over here in the middle, if you can see, right, you would find all the select topics, right? Instructions been given, actions have been taken, right? Select action, get experience details. All it's mentioned here, right? So this is the agent response. So this is all, right? So now probably we will add an action to generate a personalized schedule. Let's do that, right? So here what we need to do is that in this topics action over here, it's already selected, right? So here on this drop down, this new one, we just need to create add action, another one, right? Now over in the reference action type, we'll just click, we'll choose from template. Okay, then after that from template, let's say reference action, we'll just click generate personalized schedule, right? And probably generate personalized. We'll leave it as it is, and we'll move next. Now we need to configure the agent action, right, with certain values, field values, right? So I have those things with me ready. I'm just saving the time. So probably this, the instructions are used by the agent to understand what the actions do and what is needed as input and output, right? This is how the model has been trained, right? No matter, right, you use any third-party models, when you try to train the third-party models for any business industries, right? So probably to train the model, input and output is required, right? To make the model aware. So now over here, we need to just we need to just on the output side, we need to check this box, show in conversations, right? We just need to show in the prompt response. That's it. Show in conversation, and just click on finish. Cool, that is done. And on the left hand side, if you could see, right, the things in added, generate personalized schedule. Obviously we selected in a prompt template as a reference action. Okay, now we need to add another one, another action to validate customer details. Right, so again, on this topics action, on this drop down new, click here and click on this add action. In add action, we need to this reference action type, we need to click on flow. Again, right. And yeah, we need to just type in get customer details. Okay, I'll just click here. We'll leave it as it is, and we'll click on next. Right, all the information. I mean, this is all feeded here, informations. Right. So over here on the input side, I'll just click this check box, require input. Right, from the email side, and from the output, showing conversation, and click on. Just click on this. So both the things should be checked. Require input here, require input here. This is for member number. This is for email, and this is the output. Right, output I've shared the show, and I'll just finish here. Click on this button. Okay. So now, obviously, this has been getting saved here, right? Now we need to add another action. Action to get this session records. Okay, so here on the same thing, we'll do the same as follows, right? Click on this new, add action, new year, and we'll just click on the reference action type as flow, right? And we'll just type in over here in reference action, get sessions. Yeah, and the third one, I click on this, then click on next. Here comes the agent action configuration, input and outputs, right? We need to click on this in the experience side. Click on require input. For the start date, require input. And over here in output, we say showing conversations, and click on start and finish. Right. And now we need to also this is getting saved now, right? You can find all the things here. It says recently added to new, it's new, right? Get session. Now we need to add another action to create a booking. Right, we just click over here, this new drop down, click on add actions. The reference type would be again flow. Right here in this, select we need to create experience session booking. So that's right, create experience session booking. Click on this, click on next. Right, and I'll just little scroll up, and for this contact ID, so we need to require this check. Then for the guest as well, require input, and for session ID, require input. In output, we need to click on this. Okay, for the booking, show in conversation. For output message, show in conversation. Right, everything has been done now. Click on the finish. So now click on the finish. Right, so here things are getting added now. Okay. Now we need to provide the agent with instructions to pick the correct action. Right. So now we need to, on the top, you can see, you need to click on this topic configuration. And here we need to add the instructions. Yeah. I'll just click on the add instruction. This is the first instructions, and this is the second. So here I have a few things, added. So I have multiple of instructions saved. So now the first instructions was already been added. So I have just recently added 5 instructions. I gave 5 instructions here. Right. Also, this is all done. Right. You can create your customize, and this is how you train the model. So the agent, I'm training the agent. Right. So just click the save button. I click that, and now once it's saved, you need to activate it. Right on the top right, just scroll down a little bit, brother, and now just click on this button, activate. Now, once it's been activated, see, it's been activated here. Now, from here, we need to now test the agent. Right, we need to give certain, start the conversations, right? and how our agents builds a plan and executes actions based on user instructions, right? Again, we need to click on this conversation preview. We need to click on this refresh. Click on this refresh. Okay. Now let's give a prompt. Right. So say, can you let me know more about the full moon beach party experience? Okay. It's analyzing the request. Right. See how it so fast is, right? So it takes a fraction seconds, right? Sure thing. Could you please provide your email address and member? We see we have created a lot of flows, right, in the agent actions. So that's the main thing, right? It's helping us asking questions, right? Could you please provide me your email address and membership number so I can look up your details and get the information for you? Okay. I'll just enter my email address is, I'll just take an example, right? Sophia Rodriguez @example.com, and my membership number is, okay, here's my number. Okay, let's see. I'll hit enter. I have given the instruction for email and membership ID. It looks like I couldn't find any detail with the provided email membership. Could you please double check the and try again? Okay. I'll just type in again. Can you recommend, right? Can you recommend any other experiences for me? Okay. Now let's see. It's analyzing your request. And there you go. It looks like I couldn't find any details. Provide email, right? So this is what, like, I mean, asking the questions and it's asking, it's just checking, right? Now, what we need to do, we need to go back to this. We need to, on the top right, with the agent builder, right, there's the arrow key to the left. Just click on this. Now we need to add a permission set to the agent's user profile. Right. The reason why, because the new agent will have a user profile associated with it. However, additional permissions need to be added to this user profile. So here on the setup of quick find search, here we need to type users, right? Just come down, click on this user and select the Einstein service agent user. Right, just find it. Einstein service, yeah, on the third one, Einstein service agent. I'll just click on this. So now in this, under this, we have Einstein service agent user. If you scroll down, if you see permission, right? We need to assign the permission here. So this permission set user, if you can see here. So we need to edit the assignment. Just click on this edit assignment. And once that is done, so we need to now probably select service agent permissions. Right, so we just scroll down now, service S, it stands for S, right? Service agent permissions. Here you say, right? Service agent permissions with the arrow move towards the right. I moved it. Yeah. So you should be aware, right? There should be now two listings, right? In the enable permission sets. So one we have Agentforce service agent user and service agent permissions. So now we need to click on save. Click on save here. So now the next step is we need to add the agent to the Coral Cloud side. How does it happen here? So on the top, all right, again, set up quick find search. We need to type in digital experience. Yeah, digital experience, all sites. So now we need to click the builder right next to the Core Cloud. I'll just click on this builder. So once this open, the experience side, it's opening, right? It's loading up. So on the top left corner, you can see this component, right? We need to click on this component here, and we need to add it, right? So here we need to search for embedded messaging, right? Just let it get loaded. Okay, so now it's on the place now. So here we need to search for embedded messaging, right? So it's all about drag and drop, right? So we need to drag this above, probably over on the book experience over here. We need to drag on this, right? So I'll just stick here and I'll just drag here. Okay, so embedded messaging has been dragged over here. Can you see on the right? Here things have been added over here, right? So I'll just leave it as a default settings, right? And I'll just click on publish. I'll just click on publish here, right? Again, publish, click on this publish. There you go. And click on, got it. There you go. Right. Now we need to view the agent as a customer. Right. Now it's the time to interact with the new agent. Let's do that. So here and on the top left corner in this experience builder menu, right? I'll click on this and I'll just view the Core Cloud, the first one, right? Just view it. Now the experience cloud, the Core Cloud experience has been now popping up now. So now if you scroll down, so if you can, the site is getting loading up, right? But yeah, let's click on the messaging icon here on the bottom. Can you see this icon here? We'll just click over here. Okay, it says, "Hi, I am AI service assistant. How can I help you?" Oh, that's great. Can you let me know about the underground cave exploration? So do we have it? Underground, okay. Yeah, underground. It's there on the website. We're asking about this. So let the AI perform here. Click on enter. Okay, sure thing. Could you please provide me your email membership so I can look for it? Okay. And so, I mean, this is how we have trained the agent builder over there. We have asked questions. It's asking the questions. It's all on the basis of the instructions that we have been giving to the agent, right? So yeah, it says, yep, you can give your email address. So I'll probably enter my email address, or just an example. Email address is, I'll just write everything. So yeah, Rodriguez example.com is that one, and the membership number is, okay, that's it. So probably if you have this information with them, if my information is with them, so probably it will give the information there. The underground cave exploration is an exciting adventure where you can discover the mysteries of subterranean caves with our expert. Okay. Would you like to know the available sessions to book the experience? So this is the instructions we have been we have been training the agent here. So you can keep on asking questions. So this is all about, right, about the agent, how to bring your agent, how to train, add instructions. So these are very helpful. So I hope you have got the overview how to create the actions and update that into any website. So that is a big add-on, right? So, well, thank you so much.